talk.
What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm gonna be introducing my new upcoming pilot, my son, Jay. So Jay, what would you like to say about this airplane we're about to show our viewers?
We're going to take it out to the field.
And what else?
And then but I just built all these parts here, and then we got take it out to the field.
So where did you buy this plane?
I bought it from Amazon.
I bought this from Amazon.
No, you didn't.
I bought it for him, but I'm gonna be flying it, and we're gonna see if a toddler can fly a RC airplane. So what else you would like to say about this plane, Jay?
I would like it to compute it, and I would like to fly it.
You like to fly it?
Yeah.
Alright, so how about we open up this box and show our viewers what's inside. Alright, let's open it up.
Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Yes, the video. So guys, this is the plane, like the controller, and I have this controller, and I just build it, and so this can move because sometimes we can control it. And then my second part is the person, and we just got the nose done.
Alright, so here we have the SU-27 in the color yellow. They have a different three color options.
Color letter is my favorite color.
Yellow is your favorite? Okay, well, they have it in three different colors, blue, yellow, and red. So we got the yellow. So as you can see, this is it. You have two propellers, so you have differential thrust, meaning that with the differential thrust,
and also we have these buttons.
yeah, with the differential thrust, it allows the airplane to bank left, bank left, bank left,
So
bank right.
controller is about to fly in it, and then something where somebody turn it.
Okay, so can I talk now just for a little bit? Okay, so here you have the airplane.
And we have these.
You have your charger, USB charger.
Yeah,
And also you have two spare propeller, and your landing gears are inside here.
So these are the tails.
Yeah. So here you have your vertical stabilizers.
Yeah.
So, oh, one more thing. It also comes with 3
Batteries.
extra battery. One's already inside because we took it out before. One's already inside.
But this need batteries too.
And this need batteries as well. Doesn't come with battery for your
But
controller.
we're gonna have to buy some.
Yeah, we're gonna have to buy some. But yeah, 2 spare batteries, so not sure how long the flight time is. We're gonna have to check the manual. But this is how it is. So probably you could get away with flying this thing
4 chores to fly.
at sunset because of your lights. Or maybe once you bind the transmitter to the airplane or the receiver that's built in, these lights will go
These are
away.
my favorite.
Right, so
Okay.
these vertical stabilizer, all you have to do is just snap them in like that. Snap it in.
Yeah, I'm stepping in it.
No glue is required. And
But we
there you
just
have
have to control it.
it. All right, so here we have your manual for the airplane, and pretty much the basics. How to fly airplane, and how to throw it, and a lot of safety
Nah, you forgot the wheels.
safety procedures in here before you fly this airplane. You can also trim the airplane as well with these buttons right here, right up front and on the top. You can use that for to trim it.
It's like a
And
bag.
let's open this bag.
Yes, open the bag.
Open the bag up.
We already have batteries in this.
So we'll have our main landing gear.
Yeah, and the landing
And this is our nose gear.
So that's why we have.
There's also the cutout sections here where you insert the landing gear and insert this one. So that's your main.
And then look at that, it's pretty cool. But I just turn it on really quick.
And this is your nose. So you can also, this kind of looks weird, right? Yeah, it does look weird, but I guess that's how it is. But you can also, if you have a nice smooth flat surface, you can take off from there, or you can and launch this into the air.
And then you can throw it up in the air.
Yeah, but I think when we go out to the field, we'll be
Flying?
and launching this thing and see how well it performs. But anything else you would like the viewers to know, Jay, about the airplane?
I just like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I just like it. I just bought it from Amazon and I just built it.
Okay, so we're gonna try to mating this thing tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll have that video up. But like I said, guys, this is video is for introducing you to my new pilot. He's gonna be better than me. I can feel it, and I also know it. So if you found any value in this video, guys, give us a like, a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel.
Yeah.
This is the SU-27 RC foam jet. I heard it's indestructible. I don't know. They said it's indestructible. So let's see. It's bending it. It's still together, so we'll see. Still in one piece. All right, guys. Catch you in the next video. All right, Jay. Anything? Bye.
Bye.
All right. Peace.